Here is the question. A metal ball of diameter 60 mm is initially at 220 degrees centigrade. The ball is suddenly cooled by an air jet of 20 degrees centigrade. The heat transfer coefficient is 200 watt per meter square Kelvin. Thermal conductivity is 400 watt per meter Kelvin. Specific heat is 400 joule per kg Kelvin and density is 9000 kg per meter cube respectively. The ball temperature in degree centigrade after 90 seconds will be approximately option A 141, option B 163, option C 189, option D 210. This question was asked in GATE 2017, set 2 for 2 marks, and it is an application type question, and it is also a multiple choice type question. Now in the question he said there is a metal ball. So metal ball can be considered as a sphere. The diameter is 60 mm. We have to convert this diameter, which is in mm, into meters. So 0.06 meters. It is initially at 220 degrees centigrade. So Ti is 220 degrees centigrade. The ball is suddenly cooled by an air jet. So T infinity temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. The heat transfer coefficient is 200 watt per meter square Kelvin. So H is 200 watt per meter square Kelvin. Thermal conductivity K is 400 watt per meter Kelvin. Specific heat C is 400 joule per kg Kelvin. Density rho is 9000 kg per meter cube given. Now we need to determine the ball temperature T after 90 seconds. So time tau is 90 seconds given. Now this problem is related to transient heat conduction. We need to check whether this problem belongs to lumped system analysis or not. So in order to do that, first we need to calculate Biot number. So the formula for Biot number is HLC by K, where LC is the characteristic length. So this LC characteristic length is volume by surface area. Now, as this is a metal ball which is in the form of a sphere, we can take volume as pi by 6 d cube for the sphere and surface area is pi d square. So these pi gets cancelled and we will get d by 6 as the characteristic length. So d by 6, diameter is given as 0.06 meters divided by 6. So this is 0.01 meters. LC we have got. We need to calculate Biot number. So Biot number is HLC by K. H, the convective heat transfer coefficient in the question, is given as 200 watt per meter square Kelvin. LC we got 0.01 by thermal conductivity is 400. Now on solving this, we will get Biot number as 0.005, and this Biot number that we have obtained is less than 0.1. So we need to use lumped system analysis. Lumped system analysis. So when we consider this lumped system analysis, the formula that we need to use here is T minus T infinity by Ti minus T infinity is equal to e power minus HAS surface area by rho Vc into tau. Now this can be written on the right hand side as e power minus h by rho c into volume by surface area into time. So volume by surface area is nothing but characteristic length. So e power minus h by rho c into Lc into tau. So this formula we can use in order to solve the problem very easily, rather than calculating the volume surface area, which will take lot of time. So we can use this formula so that the problem can be solved easily. Now we need to determine this time t. T infinity is 20, Initial temperature is 220 minus 20. So this is equal to e power minus h value is 200, time taken is 90 seconds, divided by density is 9000 kg per meter cube, specific heat is 400 joule per kg Kelvin, into LC characteristic length is 0.01. Now on solving this, temperature T will be 141.3 degrees centigrade, and if we look at the options, option A is nearest to that particular answer. So therefore option A is correct for this particular question, and this is the end of explanation for this question.